anything showing the battery and its hold down. There's the original Belleville washer. It's domed so it could hold pressure down. And I've cleaned up that bracket a little bit. I've had to adapt over here because the original bracket was so eaten up. I had to make this little bracket out of aluminum, and you can see it's gotten eaten up a little bit over there too over the years. But it holds the battery in pretty well. And that's the positive. That was the bad battery wire that caused me to go through 2 starters a while ago. And the ground is still red. I should change that one day. Here's another shot of the battery and that bracket I had to fabricate.